My grandma was the funniest and sweetest woman ever, but every time someone challenged her or got her mad, she used to say, Aneguala boado, and you knew it was on after that. But I've always wondered, was she confused about who her father was? What was she asking? And then I realized that our society is traditionally patriarchal, so everything revolves around the father figure. Let's say your father's name is Tekhle. When you say Ane wad Tekhle, you automatically become your father's attitude, achievement, character, family traditions, history. Everything that is connected to your father's character is automatically passed on to you when you claim him as your father. I remember my dad when he used to say, Ane wad Dukhidanedo, and you knew when he said that it was about to go down. Most of our parents went through challenges that we cannot even imagine, let alone overcome. So one of my friends and I, every time life starts to get a little hard, we start to be afraid of doing something or we start doubting ourselves, we always ask ourselves, ¿Cuál mendie? And that always puts things into perspective and gives us that little boost that you wouldn't get otherwise. So when life starts to get a little hard and you start doubting yourself, don't you ever forget to ask yourself, Ane igual mendie? Ane would mendie?
Learn to speak Tigrinya with our new conversation course, only on semikids.com.
Culture is cool.
بشقة وعلق خرعه يذكرك علق نبعه بشقة وعلق خرعه